Open a searching engine, Yandex, Google, or what you prefer. Search for Canon EJ Printer Assistant Tool. Download it from the Canon website. If the download doesn't start, maybe you have to close the antivirus programs or check the firewall. Click on it. The installation will start. Follow the instructions. Select the continent. Select your country. Agree what it wants. The magic will begin. Finished. In the desktop now you have the Canon Printer Assistant icon. Open it. You'll find here several functions as cleaning, alignment, nozzle check and so on.